everyday dito. Masaya siya. Sabi niya, pag makalabas siya, he will personally thank you pag once he gets out. Thank you for your enduring trust and confidence in him. That was his specific words. So, he's happy. He's optimistic kasi nakikita niya. Kasi nga, nakukwento namin, since nung illegal arrest niya until now, marami sa inyo talaga, lalo na rin mga OFW, na kung kahit nasa iba-ibang lugar, all over Europe and some New Zealand, no? All over the world, yeah. So marami sa atin na hindi from Netherlands, but from really far away. So England, New York, Sweden, ako Davao. So aware siya na ganon yung sitwasyon. So I think he's happy. Though, you know, kasi nasa loob siya eh. You know, that takes away a lot of strength from you. But knowing that you are here, I think may bibit-bitin siya sa tulog niya na alam niya may nagmamahal sa kanya at lagi nagsusuporta. So malaking bagay, kahit sa amin din, kami pamilya kami, yung tatay namin dyan, yung husband niya. Kita niyo, likilig, di ba? Anyway, okay naman. Masaya kami. You know, as a family, masaya kami na nandyan kayo because hindi naman tayo magkadugo. Diba? Nobody ever told you to do this. No. I know that you're doing this out because gusto nyo lang and you really believe in him. Yes. So, maraming salamat sa inyo. Wala akong masabi. Siguro kung walang ganitong klaseng supporter from the Filipinos, ayaw ko na rin. You know, ang hirap eh. Ang hirap na sitwasyon. We are against an entire administration. So hindi, pag wala kayo, wala. Baka bukas nga, wala na ako. Di ba? Hindi natin alam eh. But I know that my father and especially my sister also ngayon, na nandyan pa, is protected by the people.
Yes.
Vice, ganito lang po yung opinion yung reaction niyo regarding dito sa napakaraming taga-suporta ng inyong tatay.
Masaya ako kasi alam ko this will eventually reach PRRT and malaman niyo na maraming sumusuporta sa kanya.